Have you ever asked yourself if you can really build muscle without going to a gym or buying expensive workout equipment? Maybe you've wondered whether simple movements using only your body weight can actually make you stronger. These are common questions, and we'll answer them here. The main problem many people face is believing that you need fancy machines or heavy weights to see real muscle growth, which can prevent them from starting in the first place. Here is a simple fact. Research shows bodyweight exercises can be just as effective as working out with weights if you use proper form and stay consistent. Another interesting point is that practicing these exercises 3 to 4 times a week can lead to noticeable muscle changes in about 3 weeks. So, if you've ever felt doubtful, rest assured that you do not need a gym membership or piles of equipment to see results. By the end of this video, you will have a clear plan to follow for the next 3 weeks to help you get stronger. Let's begin by looking at 7 exercises you can do anywhere. Each exercise is easy to learn, but still very effective. We will walk through them step by step. If you stick to the instructions, you'll give your muscles a solid reason to grow. All you need is some open floor space and the willingness to stay consistent. Picture yourself in 3 weeks with stronger arms, more stable legs, and a firmer core, without ever lifting anything heavier than your own body. Now let's jump right into these exercises and see how to do them with good form. The first exercise is the classic push-up. Push-ups mainly target your chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also engaging your core and lower back. To start, place your hands on the floor a little wider than shoulder width. Extend your legs behind you so that your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Inhale as you bend your elbows, lowering your chest toward the floor without letting your back sag. Then exhale as you push back up, straightening your arms. Keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle from your body, not flared out wide. If a standard push-up is too hard, place your knees on the floor. If it's too easy, try raising your feet on a step or a sturdy chair. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Over time, you can add more repetitions or variations. Our second exercise is the squat. Squats strengthen your quads, hamstrings, and glutes while also engaging your core. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart and angle your toes slightly outward if that feels more natural. Inhale as you lower your body by bending at the knees and hips, almost like you're about to sit on a chair. Keep your back straight and your chest up, rather than rounding your spine. Lower yourself until your thighs are as parallel to the floor as possible. Then exhale as you push through your heels to stand back up, squeezing your glutes when you reach the top. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. If you find it easy, try pausing for a second at the bottom, or do jump squats to add an explosive element. Next, let's talk about the plank. This exercise really targets your core, but it also strengthens your shoulders, glutes, and legs. To do a plank, place your forearms on the floor with your elbows right below your shoulders. Extend your legs behind you, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Don't let your hips sag or stick up too high. Focus on pulling your belly button in and squeezing your glutes. Breathe normally as you hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. Over time, aim for longer holds or add difficulty by lifting 1 foot off the floor. You can do 3 sets, resting a bit between each set. Our fourth exercise is the lunge. Lunges target the front and back of your thighs, quads, and hamstrings, as well as your glutes, while improving balance. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and your hands on your hips or by your sides. Take a big step forward with 1 foot, and as you land, bend both knees. Lower yourself until your back knee is just above the floor and your front knee is aligned over your ankle. Then, press through your front heel to return to standing, alternate legs, or do your reps on 1 leg before switching. 3 sets of 10 reps per leg is a good start. If that becomes too easy, you can try walking lunges or add a small jump as you switch legs. Now we've covered the first 4 exercises. At this point, if you're enjoying the content or finding it helpful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. This helps us reach more people who are looking for simple ways to get fit without special equipment. Now let's go over the remaining 3 exercises that will round out your full body routine. Our 5th exercise is the glute bridge. This move focuses on your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and your feet on the floor, hip-width apart. Keep your arms by your sides with your palms facing down. Inhale as you push through your heels, lifting your hips toward the ceiling until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. At the top, squeeze your glutes. Then exhale as you lower your hips back down. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. If you want to make it more difficult, try lifting one leg off the floor and performing single-leg glute bridges. The 6th exercise is the pike push-up, which targets your shoulders and upper back. It's a good step toward more advanced moves like handstand push-ups. Begin in a downward dog position, where your hands and feet are on the floor, and your hips are raised so your body looks like an inverted V. Keep your arms straight and your back long. From here, bend your elbows and lower your head toward the floor. Exhale as you push yourself back up to the inverted V. If you want less intensity, place your hands on a raised surface. If you want to increase intensity, place your feet on a chair or step. 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps is a good target, since this move can be more challenging. The 7th and final exercise is known as the Superman. This one strengthens your lower back, glutes, and shoulders, which supports better posture. Lie face down on the floor with your arms and legs extended. Inhale as you lift your arms, chest, and legs off the floor at the same time, as if you're flying. Squeeze the muscles in your lower back and glutes. Then exhale as you slowly lower yourself back down. Try 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If this becomes easy, hold the lifted position for a few seconds before lowering. Those are your 7 exercises. With these moves, you can work most of your major muscle groups using nothing but your own body weight. Next, let's talk about how to put them all together into a simple schedule. You can choose to do a full body workout 3 times a week or split it up based on different muscle groups. One simple option is a full body routine 3 days a week, say Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. On each of these days, do all 7 exercises in a circuit, going one after the other, and then rest for 30 to 60 seconds before moving on to the next set. Another option is to split them up. One day for upper body, like push-ups and pike push-ups, another day for lower body, squats, lunges, glute bridges, and another day for core and back, plank and Superman, plus maybe some extra glute bridges. Both approaches can work well if you stay consistent. The key is to do what fits your schedule and energy levels best. As you get stronger, you can progress in a few ways. First, you can increase the number of reps or the length of time you hold an exercise, like a plank or a Superman hold. Second, you can change the angle of the exercise, such as doing elevated push-ups or single-leg squats. Third, you can shorten your rest periods, which forces your muscles to work harder each round. Throughout all these progressions, pay close attention to your form. Always keep your core tight and make sure you're performing each exercise safely. Good form helps you get better results and prevents injuries. No exercise program is complete without a solid focus on recovery and nutrition. Protein is especially important for muscle growth, so try to include protein in each meal. Foods like beans, eggs, chicken, fish, or dairy. Drinking enough water also makes a big difference in how you feel and perform. When you sweat during a workout, you lose fluids that you need to replace. Sleep is another critical part of muscle building. Aim for at least 7 hours of sleep each night so your body can repair and strengthen your muscles. On your rest days, try gentle movements like walking or stretching. This helps your muscles recover without becoming stiff or sore. If you want to track your progress, you can take a photo of yourself each week or note down how many reps you can do of each exercise. You'll often see changes in your shape, your strength, and your endurance. You might be surprised by how quickly everyday tasks, like climbing stairs or lifting things, become easier. Let's do a quick recap of what we covered. First, you learned that you can absolutely build muscle with no equipment, using just your body weight. We then introduced 7 exercises: push-ups, squats, plank, lunges, glute bridges, pike push-ups, and Superman. Each one helps different muscle groups, and combined, they give you a full body routine. Next, we talked about how to schedule these exercises over 3 weeks, either as a full body circuit or by splitting them into different days. We also discussed the importance of adding more reps, changing angles, or reducing rest to keep challenging your body. Finally, we touched on the importance of nutrition, sleep, and recovery. These factors all work together to help you see the best results. If you ever feel stuck, remember that everyone starts somewhere. A push-up on your knees still works the same muscles. A shallow squat is still better than no squat at all. As your strength grows, you can keep adapting these exercises to make them harder. This is a journey that never really ends because you can always adjust your routine to reach new goals. Now that you have the knowledge, it's time to act. Set aside a few minutes each day or a few times a week to practice these exercises. Keep track of how many reps you do and watch your progress over the weeks. You'll probably notice that as you move forward, you might want to explore more advanced variations or add new exercises into your routine. Before we wrap up, please consider subscribing to this channel if you found this helpful. Also, liking and sharing this video makes a huge difference because it helps other people discover these simple ways to start building muscle at home. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you with more fitness and health tips. Thank you for watching. You now have a practical plan for the next 3 weeks that can help you strengthen and tone your muscles without a single piece of equipment. Remember to warm up before you exercise, cool down afterward with some gentle stretches, and always listen to your body. If something feels uncomfortable or painful, take a step back and check your form. When in doubt, consult with a fitness professional or a healthcare provider. But if you stay consistent and keep a positive mindset, you will see results. We believe in you, and we're excited to hear about your progress. Good luck, stay motivated, and enjoy your new fitness journey.